everyone, today we are going to have an experiment that I called the mixing of light with different colors. Here are the materials that we are going to need. 3 flashlights, but I have only one because uh, later I'm going to find another two. Um, 3 sets of colors, which is red, green, and blue. And a set of wall which is have a white color. Today we are going to do our DIY lights with colors, and it could be better if we have a flashlight with uh, red, blue, and green lenses, but we don't have any, so we will do a DIY. I'm going to explain to you how to make a DIY flashlight with red lens. The only one to do is place this Yama wrap with with color of red, and we're going to secure this with tape, just like this, like that. And after we do this also with the other colors and other flashlights, we will now be ready to begin our experiment. We're just going to turn the lights on, and we're going to see what going to happen in the experiment. And the experiment that we are going to do is we will combine the 3 colors, and let's see what will be the final light that will come out in the uh, light. It could be, what could it be? It could be, just stay tuned, and we will going to proceed with our experiment. Bye bye.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
But wait, before we're going to proceed our experiment, I'm going to discuss to you what is light. Okay, light is could be man-made or natural. What I mean by natural is the light that comes out from our sun. And what I mean also in man-made is anything that a light that made by human. It could be a thing that produces light, example flashlight, and many other else. Now that I explained to you what is light, now we are going to proceed with the experiment.
2,000 years later.
So guys, these are the complete materials that we are needing. The 3 flashlight, 3 EMR, which is the green, red, and blue, and scissors to cut the scotch tape to secure each Yama wrap into the flashlights. Now we are going to proceed with our preparing of our materials. Now that our materials are finished, we will now begin or proceed to our experiment. And we are lucky that my wall here is colored with white. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Now we are going to proceed with the experiment. And I'm sorry to keep waiting. And now, first, I'm going to light the red one. As you can see, it's the red one. Next is the green one. Now we are producing yellow color. So you can see there's a color yellow there. And now we're going to mix the red and green light with some blue. I'm sorry, but this is not the light that we are expecting, because the other flashlight is very overpowering and it is have a stronger light source than the other two. But we can see here the white color that we are looking for in the middle one. Now that I've mixed these three colors, you can see that in the camera it's a little bit weird because the camera is a little bit, it changes the colors. But here I can see white in the middle. The surroundings of it, there's a blue, there's a red, and a faint of green. But in the center, you can see a white color. You are probably wondering why it is not black. The color of this tree will only be black if the thing that we are mixing is crayons or paint. And in this case, we are using lights. So if you combine these three lights, you are going to produce a white light. And this white light is also visible in morning, which is created by the sun. I'll try to adjust the light and reposition them so now we can have the clear look like this. You can now locate the blue one in the upper left and the magenta on the lower right edge, and you can see the green in the middle in the upper one, red in the bottom, white in the center. We can also see yellow in the bottom of the white, and cyan between the blue and green. This light is what we call the visible spectrum because we can see it in our naked eye, and the light that we cannot see is called invisible spectrum, which is the gamma rays, the x-rays, and other lights that we cannot see through our naked eye. So that concludes our experiment. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Guys, did you have fun in our little experiment? So am I. I also have fun. I hope you understand a little bit about light now, and if we are combine this, and what are the light that we have produced. So I hope that you learn something and you can also try this at home, and see you in the next video.